There's a moment in every incident where everything is normal. And then, it isn't. 1 second the job feels routine, the next, something breaks, something leaks, something catches. The whole situation shifts faster than anyone expects. People who live through real emergencies know this feeling. How quickly a simple problem becomes a dangerous one. How the room gets louder, hotter, harder to think in. How one wrong move or one moment of hesitation can make a bad situation much worse. Incidents don't wait for the perfect crew. They don't wait for daylight. They don't wait until everyone is ready. They just happen. And when they do, every weakness in preparation shows up immediately. Because in an emergency, small mistakes don't stay small. A missed call out, a delayed shutdown, a wrong turn in a familiar hallway. These things stack fast. And if the team hasn't practiced enough, the incident takes control instead of them. Anyone who's faced real pressure knows that manuals don't help in that moment. Procedures matter, yes, but when alarms are sounding and visibility drops, people don't rely on what they read. They rely on what they've done before, on instinct, built from repetition. And that's the real problem. Most teams want more realistic practice, but they don't get it. Not because they don't care, but because organizing real training is difficult, expensive, and disruptive. So the repetition never happens. And when the real incident hits, it hits hard. Emergencies are unforgiving. They escalate quickly, they expose hesitation, and they demand a level of confidence that only comes from training that feels real. If these situations sound familiar, if you've seen how quickly things can go wrong, and how much better outcomes could be with more realistic, repeatable training, email info@structurist.com. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, like the video.